Have you ever pondered why certain property listings garner more bookings than others? It's all about creating a compelling online shopfront for your property. That's where your property's content score comes in. Think of it as a measure of how well you are showcasing your property to potential guests. The higher your score, the more likely you are to attract bookings. To boost your content score, let's dive into the MakeMyTrip Host App. On the home screen, click on the Content Score tab. Here, you will find a breakdown of your content score along with specific tasks to complete. First, let's talk photos. High-quality images can make all the difference. Capture every corner of your property from cozy bedrooms to stunning outdoor spaces. Don't forget to tag your photos accurately to help guests find what they are looking for. Double-check the cover image and its relevant tag, usually the facade or property's exterior. Next, let's highlight your property's unique features. Showcase your amazing property and room amenities from a sparkling pool to a well-equipped kitchen. Remember, the more details you provide, the better informed your guest will be. Now, let's fill in the blanks. Provide essential property information like property description and meal arrangements, including vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. Provide general room details like size, bed type, and view. This helps guests make informed decisions and plan their stay. Don't forget to set clear expectations. Add property rules about food policies and restrictions, pets, key exchange, acceptable IDs, and other important details. This ensures a smooth experience for both you and your guest. Finally, let's introduce ourselves. Complete your host profile with a friendly introduction, a clear profile picture, and your content information. Similarly, update the information of the caretaker if available at the property. This personal touch can go a long way in building trust with potential guests. By taking these simple steps and improving your content score, you can unlock your property's full potential. So what are you waiting for? Log into the MakeMyTrip Host app today and start attracting more guests.